What's going on YouTube? I wanted to come on here and do a quick video because we came out to one of the locations that we have that's in another town, and we wanted to kind of do an inspection because normally it's two ladies here that we have doing this dealership, and we don't always get a chance to come out here and kind of do inspections and make sure that they have everything that they need personally, in person, as opposed to over text messages and emails and stuff like that. So we came out here to a town which is about an hour away, and just to do an inspection and kind of check and see how things are going. And the reason why I wanted to send this video is that I want you to remind you that even though you're just starting out, or you may be further on, you may have been in business for years, always expect whatever you inspect. So if you don't inspect your locations on a regular basis, or have somebody put in place, whether it be a manager, supervisor, or quality assurance person, you're gonna get what you actually inspected. So if you didn't go in there and check behind them and make sure that they did everything according to the SOW, or the operations, whatever the operations that you use, or procedures or checklist or whatever it may be, you want to make sure that they're following those to the T, and they're checking off every box, not necessarily literally, but mentally checking off every box on everything that needs to be accomplished each day. Now, we came here this evening and they did great. They did a great job. It could be because I gave them an announcement that I was coming, but sometimes you have to kind of have announced inspections and also unannounced inspections, because you can never assume that everybody that you have working for you is doing everything to the T every single time. So make sure you expect what you inspect your accounts. You don't want to end up being blindsided and then your client comes to you and say, well, your guys haven't been doing a good job, so we're gonna have to let you go. And at that point, you're kind of you're running with your tail between your legs, because you don't know what's going on, because you didn't have hands-on understanding of what was actually getting accomplished on that account. So make sure you have somebody either inspecting, whether it be a quality assurance person, whether it be a supervisor, a lead technician, whatever process you have in place. Make sure you have somebody inspecting your accounts. And like I said, we were blessed. They did a great job. But I just want to put that out there for those new guys and girls that are out there trying to start their business, and they don't really, they don't have everything kind of finalized and figured out. One thing you need to do is inspect your accounts. With that being said, you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll be back at you later.